Today we are at Walmart shopping for Lego. We are going to buy a Lego set today. I didn't want to do a voiceover, but unfortunately the music was really loud in this particular Walmart in this department. So for copyright purposes, I am doing a voiceover today. So hopefully next time I can just do a regular video. However, here we are. We're taking a look at the Star Wars Lego first to see what kind of sets they have. A lot of the shelves were actually kind of bare. This is a couple weeks after Christmas, so keep that in mind. So hopefully we can find a really good set. Here's a really cool Jurassic World set. I really like that one. That was really cool. And it seems like the Star Wars ones, they had quite a few Star Wars sets in stock still. And how about these Marvel Eternal sets? I thought these were actually really cool. I haven't seen the movie yet, so hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll take a peek at that movie. See how that is, and just a random Lego City set sitting there, and a Minecraft set. I think that was the only Minecraft one they had actually, and then they had one Ninjago one on the bottom shelf there, and these were cool, those the adult Lego sets there. I thought those were really cool, and some friend sets. Oh, here's another random Lego City one. Looks like a police truck. And these Disney ones were actually really cool. I love these Mickey and Minnie ones. Those are so cool. I love those. And then the little princess castles. And then they had the Duplo ones too, a mini one. Thought that was really cute. So actually their selection after Christmas actually wasn't too bad. They did have some stuff. They had these video ones. I'm going to be showing, they had another section of more of those. So stay tuned later in the video. I'll show you a little bit more of those, a better selection. And then some more friend sets. And I did actually pick up a Lego set, so stay tuned for a future video where I'll be putting it together. So make sure you hit that notification bell and be subscribed. So there's some more Friends ones. I thought that was actually really cool. It's like a carnival set. Oh, another Marvel Infinity Saga. It's cool. They were really low in Marvel sets. There's a Harry Potter one. That one was cool. And just another lonely little Infinity Saga set there, a Captain America one. And there's a car one, and some more Harry Potter ones there. Check out some of these prices too. I tried to actually film some of the prices so you guys can see up here in Canada how much some of our Lego prices are. They're actually quite expensive. And then there's some of the classic sets. There's a big one there. That one's really cool with all the different colors of blocks. And here's the Lego City section. So actually, their selection wasn't too bad. There's just some roads there and a helicopter. And some more there. Another helicopter one. That one was cool. Another one there. And I love this camper van one. I thought that was so cool. I will definitely have to pick that one up one day, but it was like $25, I think it was, so kind of pricey. And I think these are new, correct me if I'm wrong. I thought those were kind of cool, the little motorcycle sets. I haven't seen those before, so I'm assuming they're newer. And they had all different sets of those. And then here we are with the Super Mario sets. They actually had quite a few of them in stock. I was actually quite surprised. There's quite a few of the Mario sets. As you can see, that particular one was $40. And then just a random Playmobil one. And there's the ship. So some more of the bigger Super Mario sets there. Very cool. There's the Luigi one. And some Mario ones were down on the bottom shelf. So you could either get Luigi or Mario. They had quite a few in stock. And then they had this big thing here. I don't think this was Lego. I think it was just placed there. It was $29. I think it was just like no name blocks. So, and then just on the end there too, they had their Playmobil items, and they actually had some really cool stuff. I was actually quite surprised. They had this Back to the Future set. I thought that was actually really cool for the Playmobil. So they just had a tiny little section on the very end where the Lego was. So I thought I'd just take a really quick peek just to see what they had. And they had some really cool sets. And then they had these little minifigures. They had some Scooby-Doo figures. I thought that was cool. And they actually had some really, really cool sets in the Playmobil. But we were there to find Lego. So they had some Lego sets on an end cap that were supposedly supposed to be on sale, but I didn't see any sale prices on them. So there's another Jurassic World one. That one was actually pretty cool, and there's a ship. I think that was Playmobil though. That's a ship or boat, sorry. And then just some more Playmobil ones. I thought they were cute. There was a vet one, a doctor one. So those ones were kind of cool. They were $30. And here's the end cap area with those video ones. I thought I'd show you those. Had a better selection there. Fairy one. Those were $17 each. And then I found this really cool one. I think it was a New Year's set. Isn't that cool? Look at all the figures you get with that. All the minifigures. I thought that was so cool. That one was $120. And then they had this one. This one was $100. And this was another New Year's set. So I thought those were actually really cool. And then at the very, very end, they had just some more random sets placed. They had this Iron Man one. They had the Super Mario one. And then finally, a Spider-Man No Way Home. I was looking for those. And they finally had it at the very, very end. And then this really cool Spidey Amazing Friends one. And this was all at the very, very end. Kind of had to go searching for it. I almost missed it. So, thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and share this video. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And check out some of my other videos. We'll see you all in the next adventure.